Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in previous video I have shown you how to print capital letter A using stars in Python. So in this video I am going to print capital letter B in Python using stars. So let's get started. The B letter we are going to make look something like this. Here also we are going to use rows and columns, two loops, one for rows and one for column. So there are 5 columns and 7 rows. Start with the code. So range 7 indicates 0 to 6 and range 5 indicates 0 to 4. So the logic is simple here. If row number is 0, 3 and 6, we are going to print stars in the first 4 columns, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. And if row number is 1, 2 and 4 and 5, then we are going to print star in the 0th column and 4th column. So let's write the code for that. Row in 0, 3 and 6 and column in, so column is 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Then print star. I have explained why we have used end here in the previous video. So next is elif. After this, if row is 1, 2, 4 and 5 and column is 0 and 4, we are going to print star. And column in 0 and 4. Print star comma end equal to simple space, else just print nothing. So let's execute this. So you can see the letter. Thank you guys for watching the video.